Bring the pain. And we just see how the limiter and everything works here. And it might even react so you can hear it. It's working, right?
100. Pretty impressive.
So that's just full compression inside or limiting inside, and you reach around 100? You got 100 peak?
It was with the EQ on, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's pretty impressive. I mean, these purifier basses, they're really... And even the mid-range doesn't change, even if it's very loud and they're moving plus minus 1
crazy,
centimeter.
It really reduced breakup distortion like crazy.
And also the motor system is really linear and good. Yeah.
So 100 dB compressed, of course, you don't get the full dynamics that
but
way.
It's quite clean.
In the listening position there, that's for a sealed speaker with a 6.5-inch woofer.
That's pretty impressive.
And you did that. You did a little cutoff in Rune, so it didn't have to work on the lowest of lows, right?
Yeah.
So this probably equals what's possible with that S400 voicing, something like that, where the lowest low is kind of filtered out. Yeah. Very cool.
But it will translate to around 106 dB in 1 meter, something like that. It's quite impressive.
But you need to use cable in order to get there.
Yeah.
It's not possible on the wireless currently, but I know they are working on figuring out what's going on there. Yeah.
Cool.
So we got our measurements.
Yep.
We got your assessment.
Yep.
And experience. So now we just go to the next speaker.
Let's do that.
So what do you want to go next? Should we keep it wireless for a little while?
Yeah, let's keep it wireless.
Yeah.
Please to help me with my rucksack.
Oh, yeah, sure. Why not?
I will say